Wick 69 GTO. Gonna be doing some wrapping up of the fuel lines back here. We did these last week. We got the fittings. We're 90 degrees, so we got our fittings. So Wick and I are gonna mock this up and mark our locations. Let's see what we got. Get that done. Maybe get the tank up there. Good times. Wick also got the correct gas tank vent tube and the vent hose hold down bracket. None of this stuff was actually on this car when he received it. We don't remember what the hell was plugging off the vent. I can't remember, but coming along. Just showed you these, but God, I love these. These things would be so nice. Gonna have one amazing car when it's done. Wick and I were just talking about tires. His wheels have been billed from Wheel Vintiques. He's getting 15s. We're debating between a 275/60 and a 295/55 15 at the back. We're talking 235s up front. I'm trying to talk him into maybe a 255 because mechanical grip is key, boys and girls. And it's not like these cars have any aero help, so it's all about suspension and actual rubber touching the road. Mechanical grip will be your friend. GTO, baby. What were you saying, Wick? I know you tried to finger zoom in on the paper.
Yeah, it's really cool about Inline Tube is they actually put the little drawing out of the assembly manual of how this thing goes. So I was trying to blow it up unsuccessfully, but they really kind of go the extra mile.
Yeah.
It's got the built-in little filter.
Their products have been pretty cool.
There.
Look at that. Real deal vent.
Yeah.
Which this car never had.
No, it was just...
Wasn't there just a cap on that?
I think it was capped. I don't think they even bothered with venting it.
Other than the one up here.
They didn't bother grounding, other than the one with the filler. And this was disconnected when we pulled the old tank out. They didn't know what to do with the ground. I actually need to look and see where that attaches because I don't remember.
Why am I assuming it goes to the screw for that?
It would make sense.
Logically.
Oh, that's kind of cool. Look at it. It's got a little staple in there to hold the...
Oh shit, look at the detail. That's factory too.
Yeah.
I remember we were looking in the book last week.
Yes, some 1969 technology stuff at work there.
High dollar.
Yeah, I have a feeling you're right that it would make sense for that to attach to, well, it's a heavy-duty as a vent hose. Awesome. And I'm questioning the ability of this clamp to get there.
Oh no, that fucker will. I have the pliers for those. I have a set of them.
Yeah?
Yeah, in the truck.
You know where they are?
Yes, I do. I just used them the other day.
Cool. Yeah, because you can use regular pliers, but then half the time it spins and goes flying across the room. And
yeah.
But yeah, this is pretty cool. I'm stoked about this little detail right here. Baby goes on there.
Proper.
Goes up, and there's this little bracket dude.
You got the bracky brack.
This guy, which also comes with the cool little inline tube.
Are you going to try to zoom in?
That's where it goes. Yeah, zoom in. You can see right where this bracket goes. There's your bracket. Comes with the screw even.
That is stellar.
I like these guys. I like inline tube. They've been pretty good to us.
Yeah. Did they do the stainless parking brake thing though?
Yeah, I think that might have been them, yeah.
That's the only chap our ass thing from them. But everything else seems pretty good.
Yeah, everything else has been pretty good.
Yeah, so they have a 99% success rate.
Yeah, that's not bad.
We'll roll
better
with it.
than most of our other vendors.
Electric Limited.
Our Hotchkiss guys and Willwood, I'd call them 100%.
Yeah, Willwood nailed it. Well, they had that one lazy guy, but...
Yeah, Friday afternoon he was waiting to get out and drink a beer, but the other dude was all about helping us out and mailing us stuff, and that was pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah, Willwood's been good.
Yeah.
Hotchkiss has been good.
Hotchkiss has been good.
SPC for the uppers.
SPC.
Jeremy at Ibach hooked it up.
Jeremy came through.
Yeah. That's our guy. That kid can outdrive most people I know. If he had money behind him,
Yeah.
he could get far. I've seen him wheel a sprint car. I've seen him wheel a street stock.
Well, there you go. There's a shout out on YouTube for Jeremy to get some sponsors.
Yeah, somebody throw Jeremy Queener at iBuck a fat pile of money because he can drive. And he won't embarrass you like Kyle Larson. Wiki does some research.
Find a very good, clear drawing of this in the service manual.
Oh, look at that.
And we got the ability to do this.
Woo!
So we were looking for that's the ground from the sending unit, not called out in any drawing, of course, but it does show that it goes to that same screw that holds the clip on.
So we were correct.
We were correct.
Aha!
It's always nice to be right once.
Yeah, look at us.
So that's how it goes, baby.
Nice. And now we have our lines are cut, our fittings are on. I've got them angled kind of like how I want them to go. They're obviously going to have a little curve in them, and we can move them and maneuver them a little bit. Wick's got our vent on. OE, baby.
OE.
And we are going to hook up the ground. Like Mississippi didn't.
Like the previous restorers, in air quotes.
Restorers?
Restorers.
I know something else that starts with re
Yeah.
that they probably are. But we can't say that. That's not politically correct anymore. I really don't care about PC, but yeah, we could just mist it real quick, and then we'll just be cautious. And then we could put a little in a bottle too, and dab it and put it on it if needed after.
Yeah.
Oh, damn headlight.
How'd that treat you?
Got the camera more than it got me this time. You know, after months of working together on this, I've learned to duck and weave. But
Extreme chassis black. That's our color.
extreme chassis black. Man, we got all kinds of fun going on back here. Wick's gonna do a little light misting.
I have a feeling it's this
Shit-tastic edge that they all have.
I wonder if we should beat on that a little bit.
I don't want to fuck it up. Like it's
Here, it's sissy like that. I just hit the thing with a hammer and beat on it a little bit.
I'm cautious.
You are cautious.
I'm pensive.
It might break.
I'm cautious with this shit, but my own shit, I'll drive it through somebody and not care.
Is it been a minute?
Nope. Usually when you're doing that motion, it only lasts a minute.
Oh, it says on here you gotta do it in a minute. So I'm just following these directions.
Is this how the shake weight was invented?
I guess so.
It's for taggers
Yeah.
when it's snowing.
They probably have a machine you put it in like at Home Depot and it does this for you.
You ever see somebody fuck up on one of those and it shoots the shit everywhere?
No, but that'd be pretty classic.
Oh, the one at Ace Hardware in Palm Desert's all multicolored because multiple idiots have screwed it up.
Yeah.
So Wick's gonna paint, we're rambling, and then we're gonna put this in there. Yeah.